Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about setting your privacy on Telegram. Let's get started. Telegram offers features that allows its users to feel secure of their privacy on Telegram. First, lock chats. To enable this feature, go to your Telegram account, then tap on the three lines and choose the settings menu. Then look for privacy and security. Under security, choose passcode lock. By default, the passcode lock feature is not yet enabled. Now enable the passcode lock. On the top section, you can choose a PIN or a password. Let's select a PIN, then enter a passcode. Enter your passcode again. Next, self-destructing media. You can be sure that the media files that you'll send to your recipients will be deleted automatically. It can be applied to regular chats. To send a media file, choose a specific chat. Then tap on the file icon and select a file to send. You may notice the timer icon here and select from the options for the time that this media will self-destruct. The timer will start once the recipient views this media. Next, avoid screenshots in your conversations. You can create a secret chat on your mobile device, and secret chats won't allow anyone to record the screen viewing all the conversations, as it will only show a black screen and it won't allow you to take screenshots of the conversation as well. Next, hide your mobile number from random people. Go to the settings menu, then tap on privacy and security. Now choose phone number. Under who can see my phone number, you can select nobody or just your contacts. The option everybody allows your phone number to be seen by anyone who checks out your Telegram account, especially if you join public groups. To prevent receiving unknown calls or messages, you can hide your mobile number here. If you choose nobody, you can set an option who can find you on Telegram using your mobile number. The option everybody allows Telegram users who have your number saved to find you on Telegram. My contacts allow Telegram users who have added your number can only find you once they are your contacts. You can add exceptions by adding users or the entire group. It will override the settings that you have in this section. Next, hide your online status. If you don't want to let people know that you are online, you can set the privacy so that no one will see you or know when you are seen online. Now go to the privacy and security settings of your Telegram account. Under privacy, choose last seen and online. Then you can choose nobody. You can choose my contacts if you want only your contacts to see that you're online. Next, secure your login. Go to your privacy and security settings, and then under security, select two-step verification. The two-step verification requires you to input a password every time you log in to your Telegram account on a new device. Now tap on Set Password. Now let's set up a password. Now enter your password. Then tap on Continue. Now re-enter your password. You can tap on the eye icon to check the password that you have entered. Now tap on Continue. Telegram will allow you to have a password hint. So if you forget your password, it will show a password hint that will allow you to remember your password. Next, type in your recovery email. Then tap Continue. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Check your email's inbox and look for your Telegram code. Now input the code here. Now you have successfully set up your password. Next, decide who can add you to a call or group. This allows you to prevent anyone from adding you to a Telegram group or even adding you on a call. You can manage who can interact with you on your Telegram account. Go to your privacy and security settings. Under privacy, choose groups. Then tap on Never Allow. You can select specific people in your list or select all users in your contacts. You can also select groups here. Under calls, you can set who can call you on Telegram. This allows you to restrict who can call you. Next, prevent contacts from sharing your profile. When you send people messages, they can forward the same message to their contacts, and the recipient will be able to check your username in your profile. If you don't want your profile to be seen by anyone, go to your privacy and security settings, then select forwarded messages. Now choose nobody. Now this allows your account not to be linked when someone forwards your messages. If you need to get free traffic from your video, social media, and SEO, we have a marketing app that can help you drive targeted visitors to any niche from every single traffic source. It's called Video Seeder. It's easy to use. Just switch it on and start driving traffic the first day. Publish your videos on 5 video platforms. Promote them on 10 social media platforms and drive free video and viral traffic with a better ranking. Video Seeder helps your SEO traffic grow faster. It is the most powerful video publishing and syndication system invented. Post your videos on blogs like WordPress. Get high-quality backlinks from powerful sites. Show up on all popular sites and dominate your niche completely. It runs from your computer and not a server, so it protects you from being marked as spam. Just publish your video on 5 video sites, promote it on 10 social media, and bookmarking sites. Schedule and forget, and Video Seeder takes care of it. Drive your social media traffic to your videos to get more YouTube video views. So try Video Seeder now. Go to videoseeder.in/sales. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.